Guys, this is a pillow, a full size big pillow. But you see what technology is this. I was really surprised that I don't know what I have ordered. So I was really very surprised with this delivery packet. But let me show you the unboxing or unpacking of this pillow. Yeah, this is, for me it is very surprising. So see, it's vacuum sealed. I will just cut it. You see now, it's such a big pillow, full size. Oh my god, such lovely technology for transportation and ease of handling they have developed. Very nice, very good.